Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the previous videos. So guys, as you know, we started a series in which I teach you about how about video editing in CapCut. CapCut is very easy and handy software for video editing, and video editing is a premium skill. So we are learning uh, from these videos that how to do video editing in CapCut. So let's get started. So in today's video I will teach you how to blur screen any part of video in CapCut by using mask. So let's get started. uh, this is the interface of CapCut PC, and suppose I want to like choose a video from here, like this or like this. So I drag it here, and now I want to remove this I want to blur this merry part and only show Christmas and Happy New Year, or I want to blur Merry Christmas. So what how we can do this? So first of all, I'll copy the same video here. That's good. After that, I use mask, and yeah, and now I want to go to effects, lens, and here is a effect called blur. So let's check blur, and that's it. Yeah, so as you can see, only Happy New Year is showing and Merry Christmas is blur, because we do this by using mask. So in this way you can blur the any unwanted part of video. So that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family, so they can also learn and earn through it. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.